Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can reset Royal Match game. So let's begin. Open up your Royal Match application on your device, and then after that, log into your Royal Match account. Next, you will see a gear icon on the top right hand side. Tap on that option, and then after that, tap on Save Your Progress. If you have signed in with Facebook, tap on Sign Out. Then tap on Yes to sign out from Facebook. Now go back to your screen, tap on Sign in with Apple or Google. Once you do so, you are successfully signed in with your Apple or Google account. Tap on Continue. After that, close the app and reopen it. Now you will be able to use the app from level 1. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.